Civil aviation authorities have been grappling with many challenges that eliminate the development of air service industry in Africa. Honorable Suleiman Shabal, the chairperson of the Committee Communication Trade and Investment on the Oversight of the Civil Aviation Safety and Security Oversight Agency, delivered a report to the East African Legislative Assembly Parliament in Arusha, Tanzania, and commended the Council of Ministers for adopting the mechanism to ensure safe and affordable air travel.
Recommends to the Assembly to urge the Council of Ministers to urge the Republics of South Sudan and Burundi to expedite the enactment of Civil Aviation Act to enable the establishment of a strong state safety oversight system. And we urge the honorable members from the Republic of South Sudan and the Republic of Burundi to also push this agenda. Number 4, the cost of air travels. The cost of air travel within the region is very high and less affordable. The high taxes, charges, and fees that affect ticket costs are high in the region, and such taxes include import duty, railway development levy, passenger services, VAT, landing, parking, and navigation charges. There is a need to explore strategies to make airfares affordable.
In fact, this very month, our UPDF soldiers were murdered and killed in Somalia. Last week, we lost 40 of our students killed by ADF from Congo, and also over 50 students abducted. I think this is a very big challenge to civil aviation.
According to Article 92 of the East African Treaty, partner states are required to make air transportation services safe, effective, and profitable. As a result, it is crucial for the region's aviation industry to adopt common policies for the development of civil air travel while harmonizing civil aviation laws and regulations, coordinating efforts, and cooperating to maintain high security.
The committee commends CASOA for the progress made in executing its mandate of assisting partner states in undertaking their safety and security obligations in the civil aviation authorities, challenges notwithstanding. However, unless immediate and concrete steps are taken by the East African community partner states to liberalize the air transport services in the community, and a clear mechanism for harmonizing and domestication of the East African airspace is instituted.
Right Honorable Joseph Tarutimana, Speaker of the East African Legislative Assembly, explains why lawmakers are traveling to sessions in the August House in Arusha, Tanzania, to discuss issues affecting local development. The Speaker continues by urging the adoption of strategies to overcome the difficulties impeding the expansion of the aviation services.
When you have to pay more than $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, sometimes $4,000 to get MPs to Arusha, we understand that we have really to adopt and implement these.
Regional airport projects aim at primarily improving the airport facilities and services to enhance safety and security standards, but also to promote commercial activities which are important for the sustainability of the facility in the long term. Samlanifa, Samuel Kirimunda, SMART24 TV, Business Today.